So yes, you all, this is my Walgreens haul for the week of, what we're in again, August, August 7th through the 13th. I think that's what it is. Believe you me, guys, I can't keep up with this. The month is going so fast. The year is going so fast. I cannot keep up. So I made a little boo at Walgreens. It was my bad, but it worked out good. It would have been better if I was paying attention, but obviously I wasn't. I didn't have my coffee yet, so yeah. All right. So the dial this week, it's a part of this is also the deal of the week. When you buy 3 of the dial, you get a $5 register reward, and there are 2 for 8. The Colgate, these are $3.99 each, and when you buy 2, you get $4 in Walgreens cash. Now, as you could see here, I have the Burt's Bees. I was supposed to get the Tom of Maine. Yeah, but I end up getting the Burt's Bees instead. So this little get up here subtotal $27.98. I also had a spend 20 get a $5 Walgreens cash. So after I got the transaction finished, I was like, okay, let's check and see what I got back. So as I said, this subtotal $27.98. I had a $2 off 2 for the dial and a 2 off 2 for the Colgate. I heard some people say there's a 4 off a 2 or a 3 off a 2. I don't know where that is. I had a 2 off of 2 for the Colgate. So I had $9 in coupon savings. So from $27.98 with the $9 in coupon savings, I was left to pay $18.98. Now, last weekend I was in Walgreens. The cashier was throwing away, when a customer will buy something and the Catalina prints, well, he had them in his hand and he was going to throw them away. So I'm like, can I have those, please? He gave it to me. And guys, I kid you not, I'm going to go for the rest and show you what it looks like. One of the Catalina is $5 off a 15 purchase. Yes, it was a 5 off a 15. This is the second Catalina. This one says this expires the 31st of April, 31st of August. It says, thank you for buying 3 Hallmark cards, make someone day more special. Then it says $5 off any Hallmark purchase. $5 off any Hallmark purchase. So this is one of the coupon that he was going to toss. This one says, congratulations, enjoy $5 off your next purchase of P&G products. And this expires the 30th. And as I said, the one that I used was a 5 off. What was it? 5 off? I don't remember what it was, but I used that. So let me show you all the receipts. So what I did, as I said, I used the 5 off, whatever that was, the $2 off, the 2 for the dial and the 2 for the Colgate. That's $9 in savings. I paid $18.98 out of pocket and I got $14 back. I got the $5 in register reward for buying the 3 dial, which I use in another transaction because I know if I had taken it home, I would lose it. So I just use that $5 and buy something else. I got the $4 for the Walgreens cash for buying the 2 Colgate, and I got the $5 for spending 20, get a $5 Walgreens cash. So where is it? It is so dark right here. Okay, so as you could see, I start out with $53.29 and I end up with $62.51. Here it says for this visit I earned $9.22. Now here is the dial, there's the Colgate, there is the Burt's Bees. As I said, I was supposed to get the Tom of Maine's, but I got the Burt's Bees. So here are those $9 in coupon savings, $18.93 out of pocket, which I paid with my card, because if I had used Walgreens cash to pay for this, I wouldn't be able to get the $5 in Walgreens cash for spending 20. So this little get up right here only cost me $4.98 for all 7 products, or roughly 71 cents each. And I love these Dial Silk and Magnolia. They smell amazing. Yep, this is $4.95 or 71 cents each. If you guys have that spend booster, you guys could do this deal, but be careful with the toothpaste. Remember you need to get the Tom of Maine's, and with the Tom of Maine's, I believe there's a 250 off 2. Yeah, I think there's a 250 off 2 for the Tom of Maine's. So if you're gonna do this deal and you have a spend 20 get 5 booster, do this deal, because this is an absolutely amazing deal. With that being said, guys, take care. Again, if you guys have not watched my CVS video, watch it after this, because there was a lot of savings I did at CVS today. So thank you guys again. Take care, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye.